been here since Wednesday. I worked on this clock and it's taken away. I worked on this clock, but you don't have all the hands and stuff on it. And the pendulum is hitting that roof, so you can't tell. I think I worked on this Meckenbecker clock. I worked on that huge clock, and that's ticking away and got the music going. The people who put the music box in, the makers, there's 2 holes on each side of the platform. They only use 1 screw, and so the platform was coming back, so we put more screws in and tightened it up. And then I worked on this clock, made it, he didn't like the single weight system, so I got back into a 2-weight system. I worked on that GK clock. There's another GK clock I worked on. I've worked on probably 10 clocks or so since I've been here. And I'm fixing to get this thing running for him because he hangs it on the wall and quits running, and I told him I'm pretty sure it's the V-wire that needs replaced. So, Ron, can you sit it somewhere so I can take the V-wire off?
What can you want to do it here?
Yeah, I can.
Whichever you...
Yeah, put it right there.
It'll push up. I gotta get away from it. There we go. You drop that one.
He's picky. You don't want my help no more. He's like, Mark, you've been here for 5 days. It's time for you to leave.
No, I did not.
And the thing is in beat, but it quits after a while, and you can adjust the crutch back and forth, and it doesn't adjust right, so that is a sure sign of the V-wire. Now, without the pendulum leader wire on, you see how this thing is rocking back and forth like crazy? That's what you want. Again, sign of a V-wire being screwed up. Now let me, this is the V-wire off that movement. You see all the rust that's got on it? And if I was to clean this off, I bet you it will have flat spots on it. So I'm going to clean it off right now with a Dremel. Yeah, I should have bet me. I cleaned it off and there's no flat spots, but the rust itself would have caused it to act up. These things are only 50 cents a piece, and he's got a bunch of them, so I'm replacing it. The U-wire was rusty too, but I cleaned that up. And I did a video earlier where you could take a round tapered file, and file out those flat spots.
What do you think?
Now with the new V-wire, this thing is touching my finger. It's still ticking away. As you can see, the foot's open just a little bit, and the foot is parallel and level to the ground. That thing will stay running on him now. It's important that when you close up the loops on the V-wire, that the loops are both the same diameter. If not, it's not going to work properly. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Ron, it's time for me to leave.
Yes. It was an hour and a half ago that somebody